How to add a business to Google Maps. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can add the business to Google Maps. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to add business to Google Maps, you just need to simply open the Google Maps application, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, log in with your Google account. After that, you just need to simply hit on this contribute option. When you hit on it, simply tap on this update place or add place option. I'm just gonna tap on this add place option and wait for it to load. And here you can see add your business to Google for free. You can see this option very easily. Make sure to update your app before you do this. After that, you can simply tap on this, is this your business, and you'll be redirected to another page. So here you just need to create your business page. You may just start building your business profile, like entering your business name, category, and tap on next. After that, it asks you a bunch of questions like, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like store or fish? You may just simply tap on yes if you want. After that, enter your business address and go on with the verification process. After that, you should be able to easily add your business location to Google Maps for free. So therefore, by following this method, you can add your business to Google Maps very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.